Hey there, space enthusiasts and curious minds. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phenomenon that has left many of us wondering and staring up at the night sky. You might have heard about the recent sightings of green fireballs streaking across the sky, and today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind these captivating celestial events. Imagine you're driving to work, and suddenly, a bright green streak illuminates the early morning darkness. That's exactly what happened to Jason Jenkins, who captured this extraordinary moment on his dashcam. But what exactly are these green fireballs, and why do they appear so captivatingly bright? Well, my friends, these fireballs are actually meteors, and they put on quite a show. According to experts, these meteors can be seen up to 80 miles above the Earth, and their brightness is attributed to the presence of magnesium and nickel. When these elements are heated and vaporized in our atmosphere, they emit a stunning blue-green light, creating a spectacle that's hard to miss. Now, here's where it gets even more intriguing. The altitude at which these fireballs appear makes them visible across a wide area, as explained by Jim Todd, the director of space science education at the Oregon Museum of Science and Industry. So, when one of these fireballs streaks across the sky, it's not just a local event. It's a show for everyone within a significant radius. But here's the million-dollar question. Do these fireballs ever make contact with Earth? Well, the odds are stacked against us. Todd mentions that it's rare for a fireball to actually land on our planet's surface, and even if it does, finding it can be like searching for a needle in a haystack. Unless, of course, it decides to crash into a house or leave some telltale debris behind. However, with the increasing number of cameras on dashboards and doorbells, we're getting more reports of these sightings. It's almost as if the universe is putting on a show just for us, and we're capturing it more frequently than ever before. So, the next time you're out and about, keep an eye on the sky, especially during those early morning hours. You never know when a green fireball might decide to put on a spectacular display. And who knows, maybe it'll inspire you to buy a dashcam too, just like Jason Jenkins. Until next time, keep wondering, keep exploring, and keep those cameras ready.